Welcome to Raintech software video number 5, video tutorial number 5. How to add single product in Raintech POS Billing software. In order to that, you can see the home screen of Raintech POS Billing software. Here in the top you can see add product. This is single product, just adding. It is not purchase, it is single inventory adding option. You can add even stock also. So in order to that, just click on the product name. For example, what product? This highlighter, HILIGHT. I think the spelling is correct, I don't know. The subcategory, everything you can select over here, or you can add the subcategory over here, okay? And category also you can select over here. HSN code is compulsory. You can put any number in the HSN code, or you can put your HSN code or the specific GST HSN code you can mention over here. And part number, it is not compulsory. Part number you can add or no need. Okay, I just put some alphanumeric numbers over there. Okay, some dress shop, garment shop, the part number is important. And for example, our this spare parts shop is part number is important. And where you can add or no need to add, or something like size you can add or no need to add. It's not compulsory. Color, in the description maybe you can mention the color. It is blue, blue, any highlighter blue example. And purchase entry, for example, purchase you have made on 100 rupees and you are selling on 150 rupees, and wholesale rate is 140 rupees, and reorder point, as I said before. For example, you have a 100 directly stock you can enter over here. 100 rupees is the stock. And when you are putting 2 pieces on the reorder point over here, when the software will one by one sale and reach to 2 pieces, the software will give another report. This all the product is going to out of stock. And here you can mention your units, maybe kilogram, liters, whatever it is. And the barcode will be auto generated over here. And if you have barcode, company barcode, you can just remove this barcode and you can scan your company barcode. So the company barcode will be updated over there. And in the CGST you can mention, for example, if you don't have GST, you can keep it as 0. Or if you have a GST, you can put it over here, CGST 9%, SGST 9%. So it will be 18% GST total. And any wholesale and retail discount if you are providing, you can mention over here, 1 rupees just I mentioned over here. So the added product is highlighter. This is the only procedure to add single product. If some customers, they have very less products, they can manage like this also. They don't want to go to Excel sheet upload, they don't want to go to purchase and product adding, they can manage like that. Just click on save like that, okay, and close it. So when you are selling this one, you are selecting highlighter over here, or you can select this scan that barcode. It will automatically come over there the selling price. See, 150 sale price, 1 rupees discount, something like that, and the GST added over here. This we mentioned other state. That's the reason it is came on IGST. You can see over here, see IGST. If you selected your how to change this one, I will show you that one also in this video. Just to go to customer and profile entry. Get data and select this one and change it to Kerala. For example, Kerala, where is Kerala? 30 Kerala, yes. Update, yes. Close it. Again go to sale panel. Select that highlighter over here. Highlighter, then add to cart. Then you can see over here it is came on CGST, SGST, you can see over here. It is on CGST and SGST. So this is the way you can manage your, a single product adding option in Raintech POS Billing software. Thank you so much for watching video tutorial number 5.